Hi everybody, welcome to session 4 of the Wellness and Coaching sessions with me, Jess Kloosterman. I hope you enjoy session 1 to 3 so far. Session 4 is called Make Health Your Hobby. This is one of actually my favorite lessons and favorite sessions during this course. It's not a lot of technical information, not a lot of things that we actually have to understand within our body, but it really is more about how our mind thinks, how our mindset change, which is very useful things for us to want to change. So inside this session, Dr. Sears and many other scientists has mentioned that it's actually better for us to take care of our health now rather than later. So they recommend, which I agree, and I also do that, making health our hobbies. Think about a moment. What are some of the activities or hobbies that you like to do now? Are they something that's requiring you to exercise? Are they eating something that's healthy, fruits, vegetables, and clean food? And are they including something that's going to relieve your stress and make you happier and feeling and looking younger? If your answer is yes, then I got good news for you, because that's what we want your hobbies to be. I like to encourage you to actually change your hobbies to something that is going to tie in to your later part of your life. So self-help is the key now. It's actually going to, think more long-term rather than short-term. Sure, a lot of people are thinking, well, life is short, I'm going to enjoy my ice cream, my fried chicken, and my double cheeseburger before it's too late, then I cannot enjoy. But the truth of the matter is, we want to have a longer life. We needed to get our vision and, to be a much longer range than just looking at today and right now. So if you can make health your hobby, and to be one of your best priority in life, then I think you got a win-win situation here. So enjoy this session. You're going to learn so much, and I hope you soaked in every single piece of information so you can change your mindset to focus on the future as well as now. And I hope you'll learn as much as I did and implement it and think what you're doing today, is it going to affect later? A lot of people don't take care of our health until a problem arises, and we don't want that. Of course you can do that, but what are the risks of doing that? You might find a quick fix sometimes, or grabbing some pills from a doctor, or sometimes unfortunately things can't be turned around. So that said, I will talk to you guys during our weekly phone calls. As always, if you have any question, if you have any life experience or story or questions or anything, just don't feel free to contact me, or we can discuss during our weekly phone call with the whole class, so we can all learn what you think and what others have to say. So inside this session, the same way, we have worksheet that you need to print out and do. And you also have to fill out the discussion forum, and lastly, the little quiz at the end. As always, don't hesitate to contact me, and I can't wait to see what you guys think about this session, and I will see you in the next session, session 5. Enjoy and goodbye.